Example number 2, calculating the conditional probability of a pair of dependent events. Nathan asks Riel to choose a number between 1 and 40 and say one fact about that number. Riel says that the number he chooses is a multiple of 4. Determine the probability that the number is also a multiple of 6 using each method below. A, a Venn diagram, B, a formula. So before we attempt this at all, let's just define our sets. So let U represent natural numbers between 1 and 40. So that's our universal set. Let A represent all multiples of 4 in the universal set. And let B represent all multiples of 6 in the universal set. So first things first, let's draw a Venn diagram. And let's try to solve it that way. So our Venn diagram here. So this is going to be our A. This is going to be our B. So forgive me, this is going to be a lot of number writing. But outside of A and B we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. Nope, that goes in B. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is both a multiple of 4 and a multiple of 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, wait. That's a multiple of 6. 19, 20. No, that's a multiple of 4. 21, 22, 23, 24, which is a multiple of both 4 and 6. 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh wait, that's a multiple of 4. Oh no! 29, and 30 is a multiple of 6, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 is both a multiple of 6 and 12, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay, so what the question is, determine the probability that the number is also a multiple of 6. Okay, so the way that we would do this is we would say, okay, how many multiples of 4 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 multiples of 4. And 3 of these multiples are also of 6. That means that the probability of B, given that it's A, so if I were to put it right to this example here, the probability that the number is a multiple of 6, given that you already know that it's a multiple of 4, is going to be 3 out of 10. So how do we arrive at this using a formula? Well, let's fill in what we know. We know this formula here, so probability of A and B equals the probability of A times the probability of B given A. Alright, so what we want to do is actually isolate this one right here, because that's what we're looking for. So we're going to divide both sides by the probability of A. So I get the probability of B given A equals the probability of A and B over the probability of A. So the probability of A and B is this ticket right here. There are 3 out of 40 numbers in total. So we have 3 over 40. And probability of A. So the probability that a number between 1 and 40 is a multiple of 4 is going to be 10 out of 40. We say, if we want to do this the long way, we're going to say 3 out of 40 times 40 over 10, okay, because it's just we're dividing fractions here. These guys cancel, and then the probability becomes 3 over 10. So the probability of B occurring, so that the probability that it's a multiple of 6, given that it's already a multiple of 4, is 3 out of 10, which we got from our Venn diagram already.